worried that your teeth are too stained or too yellow, we're going to show you how to get that perfect smile this morning.
There you go. You have really good teeth.
Thanks.
Look how gorgeous.
Thanks. I had braces.
You do kind of have the perfect smile.
Thanks, Harry.
Right?
I had braces as a kid.
Yeah, it's a lot of orthodontia involved.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Looks good.
It's time to go over to Harry. Smile big.
There you go. Maggie has the perfect smile. We're going to talk about that right now. This morning on our series, The Search for the Perfect, how to get the perfect smile. And joining us with tips on whitening and brightening is cosmetic dentist Dr. Marc Lowenberg. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Let me see yours.
No, let me see yours first. They're pretty good. That's pretty impressive, actually.
That's pretty good?
That's good. Not as good as mine, but they're pretty good. But mine aren't real.
And now who, if we were going to think of sort of exemplars beyond Maggie, who are some people who have the perfect smile?
A tough act to follow, I gotta say. She's got a great smile.
Right.
But, you know, the kind of smiles that we think of as being the perfect smile are Julia Roberts, Cameron Diaz, Amanda Peet.
Wow.
They all have great-looking smiles, but they're great because they fit their face. The perfect smile is different on every single individual because it depends on your bone structure, your skin tones, the size of your face, your smile. You have to take that all into account.
So when you're sitting at home and you see people walk down the red carpet and they smile.
Yeah, I'm criticizing every one of them.
Do you really do? You
Absolutely.
sit there and you say, ah, those are bad teeth, those are good teeth.
Of
are
course.
they fake?
Exactly.
Are they real?
You got it.
Right.
That's it.
So one of the things that is very trendy these days, they call these veneers.
I wouldn't call them trendy. I would say this is a way of getting a perfect smile for you.
For me.
So the way it's done is with porcelain laminate veneers, which are a thin facade of porcelain that looks exactly like the front of a tooth.
Right.
Can you see that?
Put that in my hand.
And it's very thin. It's like a fingernail, actually. And then that gets glued or bonded directly on top of your tooth.
That's nutty.
Porcelain veneers can change the color of your teeth, so you can get a great white Hollywood smile.
Sure.
They could close spaces. They can make teeth longer, shorter. They could do just about anything.
Wow.
And
does it hurt?
Well, not when I do it.
No. How much is it?
Well, depending on what part of the country you do it, and it can range anywhere from $800 to $3,000 per tooth, so it's pretty expensive.
Ooh, yeah.
But it does. You can really change people's smiles with them.
Right.
So. You know,
do you have to do the whole mouth, or can you just do a couple?
Either one. You could do the whole mouth, or you could. It depends on what you need.
Sure.
Now there are all different examples. Sometimes we raise the gum to make the teeth bigger, because if you're born with small teeth and you want to
so we have a picture of that. Right.
You could actually do something that's called a gum lift. And as you can see in this example, the gum is actually raised, and then the teeth get larger.
Wow, that's very cool.
And that's done again with gum surgery and porcelain veneers.
Right. And
you know, other examples are you could take crooked teeth and make them look straight. You could take the aging smile, where someone has worn down their tooth from age. Yeah. That's an example of crooked teeth being made straight with porcelain veneers.
Cool. That's pretty cool. And that's just with the veneers.
Yeah.
Who needs orthodontia if you can just get the veneers?
But the best example is the aging smile, because as the baby boomers get older, the teeth get worn down and they get darker. So you're able to like really rebuild the.
There you go. Oh, look at that. That looks good. That looks really good. All right. Very quickly, though, here are some other things, and you're not going to pop for the veneers. Does this stuff work? The old-fashioned?
Actually, this is the old-fashioned remedy, and it definitely works.
For whitening.
If you want to have whiter teeth naturally, you can mix baking soda and hydrogen peroxide in a little dish and mix it the consistency of toothpaste.
Right.
And then you brush it on your teeth, and it will remove all the surface stains.
There you go.
The over-the-counter products are great. You can use Crest white strips, which I like, or Listerine whitening rinse.
And in the end, your teeth have to be healthy if they're going to be nice.
If your teeth aren't healthy, they're never going to look good.
Way to go. Very interesting stuff. Dr. Marc Lowenberg.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it. For more on getting the perfect smile, all you have to do is go to our website. That's earlyshow.cbsnews.com. Maggie?
Gentlemen, thank you for the compliments.